I think now I gave you sufficient time, so we'll start now. Okay, so now this is your first bit is already done, your first question is already done, but we'll see that whenever we are adding two numbers, two-digit numbers, we always start adding the number in ones place first, right? So in ones place numbers are, okay, first we'll read the question. Now the question is 66 plus 25. Question is 66 plus 25. Now we have to add these two numbers. So what we will do, we will add the numbers in ones place first. So in ones place numbers are 6 and 5. 6 and 5. So we will add these two numbers first. So we will start counting after 6 and we will count forward 5. Okay. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So what we will do, we will write one here and the other one will go as carry over in tens place. We will write it as carry over in tens place. Okay. Fine, you have to write like this, children. The other one will go as carry over in tens place. Now we will add the number in tens place. See here, children. Now there are three numbers in tens place: 6, 2, and this one which we wrote as carry over, right? So now we have to add these three numbers. So first we will add this 6 and 2. So children, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So answer is 9191. Answer is 9191. Okay. Now your second bit, look here. Question is 2828 plus 47. 28 plus 47. Now we will add the number in ones place first. In ones place numbers are 8 and 7. So 8 plus 7, how much? We will start counting after 8 and we will count forward 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So we will write here 5 and the other, and the 1 will go as carry over in tens place. It will go as carry over in tens place. Now we will be adding the number in tens place. We will be adding the number in tens place. So this is 1, 2 and 4. We have to add these three numbers. So first we will add this 2 and 4 together. We will start counting after 2 and we will count forward 4. So after 2, you will count forward 4. This is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And now we have to add this 1 as carryover with that 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 7575. Answer is 7575, children. Okay. Siddharth, unmute yourself. Siddharth, unmute yourself. Yeah. Now read third question.
18 plus 36.
18 plus 36. Okay, fine. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
8 and 6.
8 and 6. Very good. So now tell me 8 plus 6, how much? Start counting after 8 and count forward 6.
14.
Siddharth, show me your 6 fingers. Yeah, now start counting after 8.
8 after 9, 10.
Close your fingers one by one.
8,
Show your 6
9,
fingers, Siddharth.
9,
Yeah.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So 8 plus 6 is?
14.
So we will write here 4 and that one will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. So Siddharth, now tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
13.
Huh?
One,
How many numbers are there? 2 or 3?
2.
No. 3 numbers are there. See here, we wrote this one as carry over also, no? So how many numbers are there?
3.
Yeah. So first tell me 1 plus 3, how much?
1 4.
Very good. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 1?
5.
Very good. So answer is, what is the answer?
45.
No. Look at the number.
54.
Very good, Siddharth. Now it's correct. Sai Joshit, now you read next question. Fourth question, quickly.
29 plus 32.
Very good. 29 plus 32. So what are the numbers in ones place?
2 and no. 9 and 2.
9 and 2. Okay, so now tell me 9 plus 2 how much?
11.
Very good. 9 plus 2 is 11. Siddharth, keep on writing in your notebook. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we will write 1 in tens place and 1 will go as carryover in tens place. Now tell me, Sai Joshit, what I should write in tens place? 2 plus 3?
5.
5. And 5 plus 1?
6.
So what is the answer?
6 161.
6 161. That's the correct answer. Very good. Sai Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now read fifth question quickly. Fifth question.
Which one? 57 plus 1 5 15.
Very good. This is 57 plus 15. So now tell me 7 plus 5 how much?
7 after 5.
Show your 5 fingers.
Show your 5 fingers to
Sai Ritvik. Yeah. Now start counting after 7.
8,
Yes.
9,
Very good.
7, 12.
Very good. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So we will write this 2 and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Now tell me, Sai Ritvik, in tens place, how many numbers are there?
3 numbers.
Very good. 3 numbers are there. Tell me 5 plus 1 how much? After 5 count 1. 5 plus 1? 6. And 6 plus 1?
7.
Very good. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 7 to 72. Answer is 7 to 72. Okay. That's correct. Janvi. Janvi. Yeah. Now read next question.
34 plus 48.
34 plus 48. Okay. So now tell me 4 plus 8 how much?
12.
Very good. 4 plus 8 is 12. You have already solved the question. Very good. 4 plus 8 is 12. And we will write only 2 in one's place and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Now tell me what how many numbers are there in tens place?
3 numbers.
3 numbers are there. Okay, fine. So now tell me 3 plus 4 how much?
7.
Very good. And 7 plus 1?
8.
So what is the answer?
82.
Very good. Answer is 8 to 82. That's the correct answer. Now next. Ayansh. Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now please read next question.
58 plus 25.
58 plus 25. So tell me what are the numbers in one's place?
8 and 5.
8 and 5. Very good. So 8 plus 5 how much?
Ma'am, 8 and 5.
Yeah. Start counting after 8 and show me your 5 fingers first. Show me your 5 fingers. Ayansh, I can see you. Show me your 5 fingers.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13. So we will write here 3 in ones place, and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Now tell me, Ayansh, 5 plus 2 how much?
7.
7. Very good. And 7 plus 1?
8.
So what is the answer?
8.
No, complete answer.
83.
Very good. So answer is 83, 83. Very good, Ayansh. Okay. Now Dhruti. Dhruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now read next question. 7, 6.
15.
Huh?
15.
No. Read the question first, please. Read the question.
76.
76 plus?
19.
Very good. 76 plus 19, and the number in ones place are 6 and 9. Now tell me 6 plus 9 how much?
15.
Very good. 1, 5, 15. So we will write only 15 here, and I have told you why we are writing only 5 here. And 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Now, Kruti, tell me 7 plus 1 how much?
8
8 plus 1?
plus 1. 9.
Very good. So what is the answer?
9.
No. Tell me the complete answer.
95.
Yes, answer is 9595. Very good. So children, write down these answers. Those who haven't completed, please write down these answers in your math notebook. Ashwath, are you understanding what I am explaining?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Yes, children. So I'll clear this now. I'll clear all this, okay? I hope nobody is writing. Sorry. Okay. Yes, children, now. Yes, children, or note only for first 4 questions. What I'm saying is note down only first 4 questions in your math notebook, okay? Siddharth, where are you? Siddharth, Punati, come back. Yes, children, again I'm repeating that note down only first 4 questions. If we have time, then we will note down remaining 4 questions also. Sai Joshi, start writing now. Later on, you will be the first one who will say, ma'am, I am still writing. Siddharth, start writing these questions. What happened? Siddharth, are you fine?
Yes.
Okay. Note down first 4 questions. Only first 4 questions. Yes, children, I'll give you 1 minute time. Note down first 4 questions. Yes, children, write fast. Okay, so we'll start now. Right? Arhan, Arhan, yeah. Arhan, now read first. No, sorry. I think this is your ninth question. 5, 9, 15.
59 plus 38.
So this is 59 plus 38. Very good. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
9 and 8.
9 and 8. Very good. So tell me 9 plus 8 how much? Take out your
17.
17. Very good. 9 plus 8 is 17. So we will write 7 in ones place and 1 will go as carry over in
Yes.
tens place. Very good. So now tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
1 and 5 and 3.
1, 5 and 3. Okay. So tell me 5 plus 3 how much?
8.
8. And 8 plus 1?
9.
So what is the answer?
97.
Very good, Arhan. Answer is 9790.
Thank you, ma'am.
97. Very good. You're welcome. Okay. Now Advait. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now read next question quickly.
5, 1.
Only 5 1. Turn on your camera, Advait. And children, from tomorrow onwards, I want you all to turn on your cameras. Your camera should be on every time. Yes, Advait.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now read 5 1.
51
51. Then this symbol
plus
plus.
29.
Very good. So this is 51 plus 29. So the number in ones place are 1 and 9. What are the numbers in ones place?
1 and 9.
Very good. So now tell me 1 plus 9 how much? Take out your 9 fingers. Show me 9 fingers quickly. Yeah. Now start counting after 1 and close your fingers one by one. Okay. Start counting.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So what we will do, we will write only 0 here in ones place and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Now tell me in tens place, 5 plus 2 how much, Advait?
2,
How many fingers you will take out?
2 fingers.
Yeah, show me your 2 fingers quickly. Yeah, now start counting after 5.
6, 7.
7, 6 and 7. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7 and now 7 plus 1.
8.
Very good. 7 plus 1 is 8. So now what is the answer?
80.
Very good. Answer is 8080. That's the correct answer. Okay. Ashwath.
Ma'am.
Yes, now Ashwath, read next question. This 4747. Read this question.
4.
You have to read the number in ones place and tens place together. So this is 4 7 47. Yes, Ashwath. Now your camera is off and you have muted yourself. Ketan.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now read this question 4 7 47. Read this quickly.
Take
Question reading.
47.
9, ma'am. That is
Read that question. Complete question.
Question reading.